This file is password protected by AxCrypt. It is unbreakable without the password. But if you have the password, you need the AxCrypt software to unlock it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's unlock it. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading AXX File inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. When viewing the file metadata, the AXX shows a direct link to the encrypted file standard. It maintains its portability via the AxCrypt Encrypted File convention. An AXX file is an encrypted file created by AxCrypt, a file encryption software. It contains data that has been secured using strong encryption algorithms, rendering it unreadable without the correct password or key. AxCrypt is often used to protect sensitive information stored on computers or shared online, ensuring confidentiality and data integrity. AxCrypt employs AES encryption with key sizes up to 256 bits to secure files. The encryption process transforms the original data into an unreadable format. Decryption requires the correct password or key, which is used to reverse the encryption process and restore the original file. AxCrypt also supports key sharing for collaborative access. Your primary troubleshooting tool for AXX should be the specialized Xantum AxCrypt by Xantum Software AB. The operating system is unable to apply the necessary display standards to this file. Windows offers no way to preview the secured contents, so proper access depends on decryption tools. First, use AxCrypt. Open the file using AxCrypt, the required application for this specific encryption format. Next, provide password. You must provide the correct password or key file when prompted by AxCrypt to decrypt the file. Finally, check version. If the file won't open, check if the file was encrypted with an older version of AxCrypt, e.g. 1.x, and use that version to open it. Thank you so much for your time. Your like and subscription make a real difference to the channel. Have a great week ahead.